Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the DXG5wov camera. It comes in several different colors. I got the black one. Check this camera out. See what it comes with. I got this because it has a 3-inch LCD monitor on the side. Alright, just pop this off. Here's the camera itself. This is let's get a comparison. This is my iPod. It's almost same size there. iPod's actually a little bit bigger. Almost fell back. It's got like a gun style camera there. Pretty thin and lightweight. So let's see, look like you got like a lamp there. Okay. Over here you can see the record. Some mode button. Not sure what all these buttons mean yet, but I'm gonna get to that in the next clip. Oh, this is very, very thin. It's got this little screen. Hopefully it'll have a good picture on it. All right. And then we have manual. Okay. Little carry case, little bag. Cable, which I think this looks like it's a HDMI. It's a power, looks like it's a powered cord. Battery charger. Got a lanyard for the tie up put to the camera. Battery. USB and cables to so you can see, you know, the video and audio cable.